Hello guys, on this video I want to present you how it sounds this unit. This unit is connected now via Bluetooth with the telephone. Here on the top I will attach you the link with the video how I made this connection and how I create the connection between. Also you will find in another link here on the top the construction of this unit, how I cleaned, how I bring in this shape, because it's really old, it's from 50s and I'm trying to keep alive on these days. So I let you now to listen this music. It's Rain Rain Go Away from YouTube. It's a free music.
That you know, who were trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm ever sleeping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. But things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. Just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. Rain, rain, go